Teespring for beginners. So first is first, you have to go to Teespring, click this one right here, and then create an account. So basically, you just have to simply tap on start creating and create an account. So it's so easy to create an account right here. You can just basically connect to Google account, email or password, Facebook, and so on. So once you have created an account here in Teespring, on the left side you will see here create and any other option. You just have to tap on create and then you can start designing here on Teespring. For beginners, you can just basically select, for example, if you want to sell shirts, hoodies, or mugs, you can choose it from here or you can search at that specific item. You can now start designing or you can use Canva for creating brilliant outcome. So you just have to go to Canva and then go to the search bar and then type mug or hoodie or shirt and then go to designs or elements, search for something like cat or dog, everything is up to you. Now select graphics and search from any of the design right here. Drag this to the blank mug page and then you can add more like text. For example, go to text, add something like morning, and you can add more elements here if you want. So basically, it's easier to get an idea or create something here on Canva and then add this to your Teespring, or you can also design or create something there. But I also strongly suggest to use Canva. Once done, tap on share, download PNG, and then go back to Teespring, click upload or add image. And then here you can now change the color. You can add more designs if you want. For the back, you can add something here like another image or just a text. Everything is up to you. For example, morning. And then you will see the result. So basically below you can change the price, you can edit information and then proceed. So you will see the outcome once you're done with this. And basically, you can now sell this here in Teespring. And that's how to do this Teespring for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.